Are you looking for the best cable reels in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cable reels that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Masterplug HMU15134SLPX Pro XT 4-socket cable reel. The Pro XT line of cable reels from electronics experts Masterplug features some of the best extension cords you can buy. The Masterplug HMU15134SLPX 4-socket cable reel in particular offers top protection for the extension lead in a nice compact package. It's a handy 4-socket extension for around the home and garden, featuring a fluorescent yellow 15-meter long heavy gauge cable and compact gray plastic reel. It's one of the best looking extension leads I've tried out. There's a thermal cutout reset button, and the cable reel has a standalone ON/OFF switch, which I think is a genius little feature. And there's less chance you'll mow over a bright yellow extension lead too. Up next in the 4th place is the SLX 50-meter heavy-duty 4-gang cable reel. Sometimes you need a serious amount of extension cord. Luckily, British tech firm SLX have got you covered. Their 50-meter heavy-duty cable reel is just the job for those of us lucky enough to have huge gardens. It's robust, easy to wind out, and has a brilliant high-contrast color to stop it from getting lost on the lawn. This large-size cable reel comes with a chunky rubber handle on top for when you need to take it with you. Underneath that is a simple cable reel setup that's home to 4 sockets. They've got a thermal cutout button in case the heavy-duty cable reel heats up, and it's fused with a 13-amp plug. And the yellow jacketed extension lead is so bright that there's no excuse to trip over it. The 3rd product on our list is the Masterplug 4-way cable reel. The Masterplug LDCC2513/4B LMP 4-socket open cable reel is one of the best extension reels on the market thanks to its 25 meters cable, comfortable handle, and safety rating for use with high-amp electronics. Masterplug are indoor and outdoor power experts with a huge range of quality extension reels, cables, and travel adapters. The cable reel I got hold of is a great addition to any garage or home workshop due to its rugged steel frame and extra long extension lead. Unless you've got an enormous garden, it'll reach just about anywhere you need it. Rated for 13 amps, it can handle the most demanding equipment including lawnmowers and corded power tools when the extension lead is fully unwound. It stands up nicely on the frame, and you can reel everything back in again using the big winding handle. 2nd on our list is the Status 4-way socket cable reel. Built for when you need 4 sockets and 20 meters of cable, the Status 4-way extension lead is a reliable open cable reel that is ideal for use around the home and even in the garden. I looked at the 20-meter version, but you can get different cable lengths and up to a whopping 50 meters for the biggest of garden. The bright green or red case is made from tough plastic, and the cable reel is made from black tubular steel with a plastic handle. A rubber grip on the handle would have been a nice touch, but it's not uncomfortable to reel out and back again. Finally, the top product on our list is the Status 2-way outlet cable reel. The Status S18M2G13ACR4 is a 2-socket cable reel from West Yorkshire's cable expert Status. With 18 meters of extension lead to reel out, you shouldn't have any problems reaching the bottom of your garden or the top of your tallest ladder. It's a well-made and robust cassette-style cable reel with the cable tucked inside the high-visibility green plastic case. If you only need 2 sockets, then this is one of the best cassette cable reels you can get hold of for the money.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.